The following information is for the distribution of an Amber Alert from the Clovis Police Department. The Clovis Police Department is asking for the public's assistance in locating Elia Maria Torres, who is 10 months old, 28 inches tall, and weighs 23 pounds. She has brown eyes and brown hair. At around 4:30 p.m. on May 3, 2024, the suspect was unknown male, possibly in a maroon. If you have information, urgent concern is the whereabouts of Elia Maria Torres, or about this incident or the whereabouts of Elia Maria Torres, please call the Clovis Police Department or 911. Contact Clovis Police Department at 575-769-1921.